small party, if we remain committed to our people and the rights of the next generation, no matter how big the opponents are, how much money they have, how much of administrative power they have, if we remain committed to the indigenous people's cause, we will win. And today, the poor people of Tripura have replied by giving us this huge mandate, and this mandate is just the indicator how we should move ahead and ensure that our next generation is protected by giving them constitutional rights. Thank you.